In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TurboTax back to free without starting over. If you accidentally ended up on a paid TurboTax version, don't worry. In many cases, you can switch back to the free plan without losing your progress or redoing everything from the beginning. This is especially helpful if you've already entered some of your tax information and just want to make sure you're using the version that fits your needs. To begin, make sure you're signed into your TurboTax account and already inside your return. Once you're on the main working screen, look for the option labeled Switch Products. This is the setting that lets you move between different TurboTax versions. Go ahead and click on Switch Products to continue. After you open that menu, TurboTax should show you the available product options for your return. At this point, you're looking for a downgrade option that lets you move back to the free version. If that downgrade option appears, select it and follow the prompts on the screen. This will switch your return back to the free plan without forcing you to start over. If you do not see any downgrade option, that usually means you're already on the free plan. In other words, there may be nothing you need to change. This can be a little confusing, especially if you expected to see more choices, but in this case, no extra action is required. As you go through this process, take a moment to read the labels carefully before confirming anything. TurboTax sometimes updates its layout, so the wording or placement of buttons may look a little different depending on the version you're using. But the key thing to look for is still the Switch Products option, followed by the downgrade choice if it's available. It's also a good idea to review your return afterward to make sure everything still looks correct and that you're in the product tier you want. Switching products should not erase your progress, but checking your account status and return summary can give you peace of mind before you continue filing. That's all there is to it. Open your return, click Switch Products, and look for the downgrade option. If you don't see it, you're most likely already using TurboTax free. It's a quick process and it can save you time by letting you continue your return without starting from scratch.